Welcome back to another video, and today we're actually going to be talking about the chain rule. And so when I took Calculus 1, I actually had a very hard time understanding the chain rule. And the YouTuber by the name of Nancy Pie, she actually made it very easy to understand with a graphic such as this. So we use the chain rule when we're taking the derivative of a function. And all the chain rule is we're going to be taking the derivative of an outside function, and we're going to leave the inside alone. And we're going to multiply that times the derivative of the inside function. And let's take a look at this problem. Y equals 3x plus 1 all raised to the 7th. So we're just going to follow the visual on top, and whatever it does we're going to do. So it's saying take the derivative of the outside function. So whatever's not in the parentheses is going to be the outside function. So to take the derivative of that, we're going to use the power rule. So 7, we're going to take the 7 to the front, and the power rule says whatever we take out to the front we subtract by 1, so it's going to be 6. And then it's saying leave the inside function alone. So we're just going to rewrite it. And I'm trying to color code it so you guys can follow along a little easier. And then we're going to multiply that by the derivative of the inside function. And the original inside function is 3x plus 1. And so the derivative of 1 is just a constant, is going to be 0. And 3 times x is a constant, so the derivative of 3x is going to be 3. And the derivative of y equals 3x plus 1 to the 7th, we can write that as dy over dx. That just means the derivative with respect to y. And then we could clean this up just a little bit more. 3 times 7 is going to be 21. And then we could leave that the same. It's going to be 3x plus 1 all raised to the 6th. And that's our answer right here.